Hello YouTube. Dumplings are a familiar food in the diet of every family. How useful are these foods for children? Due to their employment, people mostly prefer to buy ready-made dumplings in stores. However, purchased dumplings are fraught with many hidden threats to the child, and even the adult body. Why industrial dumplings are dangerous? According to the production technology, it is allowed to replace 20% of meat raw materials for dumplings with mechanically deboned poultry meat or soy protein preparations. The recipe of some dumplings includes offal, cabbage or potatoes. As a result, they contain a small amount of high-quality animal protein, but a high content of vegetable proteins, fats and spices. Industrial dumplings and dumplings contain a large amount of salt, which leads to water retention in the body and additional stress on the cardiovascular and excretory systems. Let's not forget about the flavor enhancers that are added to industrial products everywhere, which causes dependence on these products. The children's body is especially affected. We also remember about various stabilizers and substances marked E, many of them are carcinogens. Thus, the use of industrially prepared semi-finished products for food is permissible only in emergency cases, both for children and adults. In addition, the regular use of such products leads to a constant tension of the pancreas, so it is worth limiting the consumption of dumplings to people suffering from diseases of the hepatoduodenal zone, pancreatitis, hepatitis, cholecystitis, dyskinesia. Homemade dumplings contain proteins, fats and carbohydrates. However, when preparing dumplings with meat on your own, it is important to pay attention to the quality of the purchased meat, and cook the minced meat at home. However, like any other products, they should not be abused. Pay attention to what you season these dishes for your children: mayonnaise, oil, vinegar, ketchup, sour cream, foods high in fat and extractives, which can adversely affect the digestive tract. In this case, the best seasoning will be the broth, which is formed from cooking dumplings with meat. Meat broth stimulates the main function of the gastrointestinal tract, and dumplings in this case are better digested. The use of various vegetable fillings in the preparation of homemade dumplings improves the digestion process, and with proper heat treatment it will be a source of vitamins and microelements. Please note that meat products, dumplings in particular, should prevail in the diet in the morning and at lunch, and by the end of the day, preference should be given to dairy products. Dumplings are best given from the school age. They should not form the basis of children's nutrition. Meat cooked without a lot of spices, meat broth will be healthier for the child than something that contains in addition a considerable amount of dough, spices and seasoned with vinegar, ketchup, mayonnaise or sour cream. If we talk about purchased semi-finished products, think carefully about what is more expensive for you, the health of you and your children or saving time. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.